Okay, now 3 o'clock something. This is what happened after the whole morning snow. Wait, okay, then it's Chinatown again. So quiet. It's snowing. The situation is very bad. I don't have the duck shoes with me. Okay, it's my turn to cross the street. Anyway, yeah. Wow, have to climb up over there. So quiet. There's no one in the street. Only people like me have to work. Wow, wow, everything. Wow. Oh man. Okay. You really got to have a duck shoes. Oh, so slow, because every step you the shoes is inside the snow. It will keep on snowing, but the snow is less severe than before, but it's keep on snowing until tomorrow morning. So possibly, I think now, how many inches? Oh, wow, look, 8 inches, I think. Keep walking. It's so quiet. Feel like pandemic period. It just few years ago. Okay, I have to focus because I cannot see clearly now. Okay.